Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In this new video, I'm gonna show you a small trick or a small technique how you can add your own custom sound library to DaVinci Resolve and which will help in your sound designing. Okay, so let's begin into the video without a further ado. So first of all, we have to go to the home page where you launch for the first time and the pop-up comes up. That is the main page. Okay, the databases and all which shows is create a new database. Click on the new database. In new database, let's click over PostGre. Okay, SQL, and you can add your custom images like how I did. Okay, you can add those and you can name it whatever you want. Like I am just gonna write it as sound effects. Okay, and if you are by default on your system, then leave this the location as it is. Okay, don't change it anywhere. But if it's on a server, then make sure you have it properly set. Okay, and same as it goes, I will not change anything because this is the local system and I'm doing on that. Okay, and then I'll hit on create. The new database has been created. Okay, you can here create a project over here if you are on the server, or else you can go with the normal disk databases also. I'm gonna create over here. As you can see, I have the preloaded DaVinci Resolve sound pack, but let me show you how to add the custom ones. First of all, what you have to do means you have to click on this icon over here. Here it will show a pop-up over here. Okay, now it's currently set to Fairlight sound library. I'll change it to mine, the sound FX2. Okay, here you can see no library connected. Okay, so you can click on add library. Okay, and you can browse your library wherever you have stored your musics and effects or anything, basically effects, and select the folder respectively. It will take some time and you will get a prompt like this: sound library scan successful. So that time you will get a image like this, like waveform. It will be shown here. Let me add some more libraries. You can also do by adding, like clicking on the three dots and add library. Okay, and I'm gonna add this one. Let me do a search of something. Yeah, and one more thing to note, that is you need first three letters or any three letters in between the like name or anything to display over here. Okay, like I just write PM, right? Nothing comes. Like if I do a hash or anything, then it will come. Okay, so for example, I have this one, so I preview it over here. So I have previewed it over here and I'll mark in and out. Okay, so I'll drag this over here to the timeline and voila, that's how it's done actually. So you can have your metadata, custom metadata, and assigned all over here, but this is the most simplest way and most best way to do it. Okay, so all the libraries are there inside over here. You can add so many libraries just like that. Like you can even add new databases and then you can expand the sound library and all. Okay, some things to know that of the sound library which you have connected. Okay, like if you have added. Okay, if you by any chance get like if the files are moved or deleted, it doesn't show any red flag or reconnect or anything like that. Okay, but it will not show any waveforms there. Okay, whenever you search it, so please make that point. And one more thing is, if the database is missing, that time the hole in the sound effect section, like the sound effect section, the database will not show up. Okay, like if you had created before and then you are searching for it but you have disconnected the server, the database, then you are in trouble. Okay, back to the video. So this was a small thing for the Resolve Fairlight series. So let me tell you one thing. I am doing a Fairlight series which is coming up in the next 3 months. Okay, because it's gonna be from A to Z. So that's why it takes a much longer time for me. And moreover, my system has been crashed, So I guess that shouldn't be issue for the schedule. So I'll be doing it on the laptop. So yeah, meet you soon, huh? I'll I'll keep posted in the community tab of the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel's community tab, where you can see all the updates when the new video will be coming. And if you want to get into if you want to have a chat with me, then I'll be readily available in community tab, even Discord, even Instagram, wherever. Okay, for big business related inquiries, you can always check out my about page, and in that you will get the email of mine. So thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you have subscribed the channel, and hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and thank you guys for making 500 subscribers, and we are 500 strong. Okay, thank you guys. Meet you soon.